Hi everyone, this is Atanas with LegalTrek and welcome again to our feature videos with background music. I think you're already used to the background music, so I'm not going to declare it anymore. As you can see, I'm in the matter view in a particular matter and I'm looking at my list of tasks. Tasks, of course, may or may not be completed and may or may not have time entries and billable hours related to them, but what's new is that duplicate button that you have here. So once you go into the duplicate button, of course, you'll be able to create a copy of your task and assign it to the same or a different matter. For the purpose of this, I'm going to demonstrate how it works in the same client. So when I click save, it's going to be the very same task, but now appearing as a new task in the matter. So you can use the tasks now and copy a single task in the same matter or change the matter you want to copy it into for the purpose of managing your workflow. I hope you're going to enjoy using this new feature, and it was based on a client request, so thank you very much to our customers for the feedback.